Hello, my name is Lindsay and welcome back to Snugg HQ. Now, if you are watching this video, it probably means that you have booked your first video session. So hey, congratulations. We're so happy for you to be using the platform and connecting with the people who are interested in connecting with you. So what do? It's your first session, right? So what I recommend doing is go to your dashboard, snugg.me/dashboard, and look underneath upcoming. This is where you'll see the person's name that booked the session, and you'll be able to click on view next to their name. Once you click on view, you will see a lot of details. You will see the person's name, their email address, and also the ability to cancel and reschedule the session if you need to do either of those things. We've made it super easy for you to do within this screen. Additionally, you'll see a chat box in there. Now, this chat box is for you to communicate before your session or during your session. And what I like to do is when someone books a session, I will just go in there and say, hey, whatever your name is, so happy to be talking with you soon. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to discuss during our session together. Now, what this does is get the person clicking the link, because when I send that message, they will receive an email that says, hey, Lindsay sent you a message in your Snugg session. So they can go click that link, become familiar with using the platform a little bit, and respond back to you and maybe provide some useful information for their session with you. 15 minutes before your session time, your video window will open within that link. So again, you're gonna click on view, and 15 minutes before, a video portal will open. And at this point, you can select your audio and your camera that you would like. At that point, you can wait for the other party to arrive and join you in the video session. And that's pretty much it. You're all set to have a great conversation, which I know you will. And just a few things. So some common questions that we get asked by both parties can be, what about time zones? Oh my gosh, I think the person that I booked with lives in this time zone and I'm in this time zone. Don't worry about it. Snugg has taken care of this for you. We calculate for time zones, so wherever you are, your computer is going to reflect the time that is relative to your time zone. And so we will always make sure both parties are going to arrive at the same time based on their location. Another question we can sometimes get is, oh my gosh, where's my audio and video? Make sure, especially if you're on Google Chrome or really any browser, that you have your video and your microphone enabled, because we use a browser-based video transfer. So if your browser is blocking video or audio, obviously we're not gonna be able to convey that signal. So just make sure in your browser that you're permitting video and audio, and you should be good to go. Well, that's it for this video. Wishing you the best of luck during your session. I know you're gonna have a great time, and we look forward to seeing you here around Snugg. Be sure to email us if you have any questions at all, hello@snugg.me, and enjoy your session.